Hey guys, so I am back. I know I've been missing in action recently, but that's because I've been creating the Earn While You Leisure bundle, so that I can teach you step by step exactly how to create your own affiliate marketing business, your own drop shipping business, setting up your store and actually liaising with manufacturers and getting the products out there and the marketing so that you can start earning on repeat whilst you sleep. So what we're doing right now is I am trying my best to make sure that you don't have to go out there hunting for affiliate marketing programs, because I've created one just for you. And the way I've done that is you get to earn every single time someone pays for the Earn While You Leisure bundle, because you as an affiliate, when you sign up with the link down below in the description box, you will be able to earn 15% every single time. Now, whilst you're looking on the screen here, there's also a referral program. Referral program means basically that you get a gift, so you get some money off, and that is also an option for you. But if you want to get paid into your account every month, every single time, you get your specific family, friends, acquaintances, colleagues, no matter who they are, if they buy through your unique affiliate link, you will earn 15% every single time. That is affiliate marketing, but you're also going to learn so much more about the business. But let's get you started with making some money. Now, in order to do this, you need to do it in the most simplest way possible, and that is through Bitly. So that's why I'm making this video today, because you're going to learn today exactly how to use Bitly and how to sign up for it. I want you to know exactly how to put things together in the most simplest way possible so that you can start earning and sharing and just make things simple for your potential customers. Now, Bitly is a link sharing website. You are actually taking the long links, so the really long links or the short links, and you're making them even shorter so that they're easy to remember, because they always start with bit.ly/ and then they can be customized to whatever you want. For instance, this one here started off right here with HTTPS payhip.com and then a bunch of letters. Now, nobody wants to remember that. Nobody wants to remember this. But what we have done is we've shortened it here to bit.ly TDDEWL, and I always use the TDD simply because it's specific to the Digital Diva, which is the name of my business. Now, how do we do this? We take a long link. For instance, the link up here. We copy this link. There we go. We go into the create box. We paste the long link in this box just here. And then down here, we click the create. As you can see, it's giving you the option to customize. Now, you can leave it as it is with a 2TRB7XI. Oh, that's long. Or we can go here, we can backslash and take it out. And then we can do something like, say, TDD or whatever you want to do. I'll just go with the TDD. And we can do bit. And then we can press save, and let's just hope no one's taken that. Look at that, link has been edited. Now, if it has been taken by somebody else in the Bitly world, it will let you know that it can't be edited, and you'll have to think of something else that you can use. Now, please, now that I've shared this, please don't use TDD for everything. But at the same time, we don't have exactly the same links to share. The TDD is specific to the Digital Diva, and whatever your company name is or whatever it's going to be, just abbreviate it, shorten it, because it just keeps everything nice and clear and concise for you. So this is me just helping out and letting you know how you can do this the quickest and easiest way possible. I hope that's helped. Get on board with Bitly. It's free. You do not have to pay until your business has grown and you need to expand and go into the pro version. But this is a free service for you to shorten your links and make life easier for everyone. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow.